welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm actually packaging an order because I did get a comment on one of my Vinted videos to do a video on how I package an item, like to ship on Vinted. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna get right to it because I have to go to the post office because they close at 4:30 right here in California. So this is what sold. This little peplum jacket. It's Adidas. So cute. And this is what I use to package it. I'm gonna do a voiceover because I have to leave like ASAP because my dad has other stuff to do instead of taking me. Nah, he's just busy, but I have to hurry up to pack this real quick. So these are the things that I use. The duck tape, this tape, I love this brand, and then just some scissors, big scissors, because with the small scissors, like, it takes long to cut the tape. And then these poly mailers, I got them off of eBay. I ran out of pink ones, so right now I'm just using these white ones, and they're sturdy, they're good. So I printed out the shipping label first, and it comes with 2 pages, the shipping label and then the directions that Vinted gives. And then I usually cut out the shipping label first because I don't use the ones that you just slide off and stick to the poly mailer. And so the first thing that I do is I fold the item. If it's usually closed, I fold it so it could look organized. And then I put it in the shipping poly mailer. And I just make sure that it's neat. And then I also include a thank you note. These, my sister printed them out, but usually that's what I do. I put a thank you note so they could like open it and it could be like a present, and then they could feel all like good about receiving their package, and then they'll give me 5 stars. So then I take off this strip. Actually, now I take off the strip, and so this already has like the glue on it, so I just put it like this and I close it, and there's my package. And all I have to do is put on the shipping label, but I'm going to hide the address from the customer, and I'll do that off camera. And that's what it looks like. That is what the package ends up looking like. And they're ready to go to the post office. So I just got back and it was super hot outside, like over 100 degrees. But anyways, guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Like, if you want tips on like what poly mailers to use or anything like that, just ask me. I'll help you guys. And also I wanted to mention something else. So that is usually how I ship almost all of the packages. Like, I don't think it changes, like whether it's Mercari or Vinted. I know like Vinted, I can't use the priority mailboxes. That's the only thing that I want you guys to know, that you guys can't use the priority mailboxes. And if you guys ever get confused, like, they have a paper that says everything. Sorry guys for the mess. So it says pack the item, and it says do not use flat rate boxes. And also, like, Vinted is so helpful, like you guys could just message them also. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and again, make sure to like this video, and also make sure to comment any questions. Again, any questions, you guys are free to ask questions or just comment in the comment section. And also give this video a thumbs up. I'm like, which one am I forgetting? But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and sorry if it's so short, but it's pretty straightforward. And yeah, I'm glad that I got an order so I could show you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.